1973 Honda SL70. Mostly original bike. It is from here in town, local, never left town. 3-owner, I think. The seat is in good condition, but it's starting to get a little wear on the seams here. Probably use a restoration. And I need the side box cover for the other side. Somebody happen to have one in that color, shoot me a message and I'll buy it from you. This bike has a title. It's kind of hard to find in those older bikes anymore. Speedometer does work, 6,300 miles. Horn works. Grips have been replaced. This is about the funnest bike there is to ride. I've got quite a few of these, and it's probably my favorite to hop on and run around with. All right, there it is. Thank y'all.